This is another question asked by MAKAUT. The question says, what do you mean by line coding? Let's see the definition. The process of converting binary data into a sequence of bits of the digital signal is known as line coding. Second part says, for a signal represented by this, draw the pattern using the NRZ-L and NRZ-I scheme. NRZ-L stands for NRZ-Label and NRZ-I stands for NRZ-Inverted. First, let's see NRZ-Label. In label, it is saying whenever the bit is zero, we have to draw a line at lower voltage, and whenever the bit is one, we have to draw a line at higher voltage. So the first bit is zero, so we have drawn a line at lower voltage. Next is one, so we have drawn a line at higher voltage. Again, two zeros, lower voltage. Again, it is one, it is drawn at higher voltage. And again, it is zero, we draw a line at lower voltage. In many papers or in many videos, you will see that they have just reversed the thing. Like for zero, they have drawn a line at higher voltage, and for one, they have drawn a line at zero voltage. But that is incorrect. For an NRZ-Label, you must follow these two rules. To verify it, you can follow the Wikipedia also, or you can follow the standard books also. In that, you will find this same reasoning. And let's see NRZ-Inverted. In NRZ-Inverted, it says that whenever the bit 1 comes, we should make a transition. Whether we are at higher voltage or lower voltage, we have to make a transition at the start. Let's see. So from the beginning, we always start from higher voltage. Remember this thing. We always start at higher voltage. It is zero. We draw line zero. Now we can see it is one. That means we have to make a transition. That means when at at the beginning we are at higher voltage, so we will make a transition at the start and comes to low voltage and draw a line. Now it is zero. We will not make any transition. We will continue. Again it is zero. We will continue. Now again it is one. That means we have to make a transition. So we make a transition and go to higher voltage. Now again it is one. That means again we have to make a transition. We make a transition, comes to low voltage and draw a line. Now again it is one. Again we have to make a transition and goes to higher voltage. We draw a line. Now next is zero. Then in this case we will continue. So this is how NRZ-Inverted is drawn.